Welcome to 2 Minutes Global Market Pulse. Top overnight news for the 15th of August 2025 are S&P Global Ratings revised India's credit rating to BBB from BBB and changed the outlook to stable from positive on August 14, 2025, citing economic resilience and sustained fiscal consolidation. It is after 18 years that India got rating upgrade. U.S. producer prices rose 0.9% MOM in July 2025. Rebounding from a flat reading in June and much higher than expectations of 0.2%. It is the biggest increase in producer prices since June 2022. Cost of services went up 1.1%, led by a 3.8% surge in margins for machinery and equipment wholesaling. Cost also increased for portfolio management, securities brokerage, dealing, investment advice, traveler accommodation services, automobiles retailing, and truck transportation of freight. India recorded a merchandise trade deficit of $27.35 billion in July, the widest since the record high of deficit of $37.87 billion in November of 2024, which is set to be revised lower. The GDP in the euro area expanded 1.4% year-on-year in the second quarter of 2025, slightly lower than 1.5% in Q1, and in line with the first estimate. Initial jobless claims in the U.S. eased by 3,000 from the previous week to 224,000 in the first week of July 2025, contrasting with market expectations that it would increase to 228,000. Besant said that Japan's central bank is falling behind the curve on inflation and will probably have to raise interest rates, in a rare swipe by a senior official at the monetary policy of another country. China is preparing to ask some state-owned enterprises to buy unsold homes from distressed property developers, People Familiar said. The firms will be allowed to tap $41.8 billion of funding. U.S. President Trump signed a pharma executive order to fill the strategic active pharmaceutical ingredients reserve with critical drug components and signed a space industry-related executive order, while the White House also announced a revocation of the 2021 executive order on competition. For more updates, stay tuned to the fellow investors.